Alright guys, welcome back. This is day 3 of Noob to Pro on Blender, a series that I just started, and essentially every day I'm trying to create a new model and record myself doing it and see how I improve over 31 days. I learned a lot from last video on how to edit and kind of make cuts and all that, so I'm kind of excited to do that in this video. So I've been thinking about it. I want to keep everything to like the same kind of theme as of last video. So last video I did a table. Today I'm gonna be doing a cup. Kind of show what I've been learning so far. Delete that. Excuse me. Add in a cylinder because this is what we'll be working with. And one thing I've noticed with Blender, once you add in something and move it or make any edits to it, you actually can't edit the part properties anymore. So for here, I want to edit the vertices and turn it down a little, just so keep in with the low poly. Make it a little easier to work with. I think 22 is a good one. There we go. Alright. So I like that so far. Let's just do like, I was thinking of doing like a coffee cup or something like that. Kind of like the one that's sitting right next to me. Let's take a hit of that real quick. There we go. Alright. Feel much better. See here, yeah, definitely gonna have to extend it up. Yeah, so the cup I have right next to me is like a Talavera, kind of like a Mexican pottery cup. So I kind of want to model after that. Let's see how this goes. Definitely gonna have to make some loop cuts, and I'm still trying to figure out like, is it? Whoa, what did that do? What did Shift R just do there? I'm trying to do the hotkey, but it doesn't seem to be working. There we go. Okay, it's Alt R for me. Do like that. Let's make it kind of look like a pineapple real quick. And then this one. There we go. What's the shorthand for that? I know there was a way. It's okay. Yeah, there we go. Is it Z? Yep. There we go. Z4. Z6. There we go. It goes back. Okay. So this one's really good if you want to edit like in between. Hit this one up. But I want to do it only off the lines. So for this one, it actually goes in quite a lot. We'll see. I actually probably need to add a few more loop cuts just to make the geometry a little easier. That looks pretty good. So I'll make this like the lip of it. Add another loop cut because this is kind of a little technical area. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna extend it out right here. Kind of keep it to that same energy at that level. Try to extend it out, kind of throw it back. And I think this is a good model to kind of do by hand because, like in real life, these are very imperfect, kind of a handmade feel. And this is very similar to that, in that they're all different and it's not perfect geometry like you would see from like a cup you buy at like Target or something like that. So I made an error while making this model here, so I'm just repairing it by using basically the F to fill for the vertices, and here I'm doing the handle really quickly, kind of just making little edits here and there. So I was really locked in at this point. I was just trying to fix the inside vertices and just kind of edit over it and make sure it's aligned with the outside. Kind of give me an idea. So for this. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. This was day 3 of Blender. It's day 3 out of 31. And today I built a cup and I'm pretty proud of it. Looks like my coffee cup. It's a little crude, a little wonky, but I like it. It's very artsy. I used a lot of wireframe and selection and editing and extruding. Definitely a lot of like adding of faces and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. Tune in for tomorrow. Peace.